अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं द ईजीएस्ट मीट रोस्ट एवर। तो जल्दी से डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इंग्रेडिएंट्स चेक कर लीजिए। कीप देम रेडी एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट। तो मैं 1 kg मीट से बना रही हूँ ये। Especially, when unexpected guests arrive and you need to make something very quickly, you have meat in the fridge, defrost and जल्दी से बन जाता है ये। Add all the ingredients together in the pressure cooker and just 4 whistle दीजिए, fry a little bit and that's it. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। To a pressure cooker, add 1 kg of meat. ये boneless है, I've cut them into small pieces. Along with this, add half a kg of sliced onions. This is 4 large sized onions. Then add 3 teaspoons of chilli powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder. It gives a different taste. 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of ginger paste, 3 teaspoons garlic paste, a few curry leaves and a ladle full of coconut oil या फिर कोई sunflower oil. Mix well. सारा मसाला एक दूसरे को अच्छा लग के ब्लेंड होना चाहिए. So mix very well and then add a glass of water. फिर से मिक्स करिए. Cover and pressure cook for 4 whistles depending on your meat. After 4 whistles, switch off the flame. Let the pressure release on its own. Once the pressure cooker cools down, open the lid and check. If there is still water left, there definitely will be water because meat also releases water. If you want the gravy to be very dry, just keep on high flame and let the water dry out. If you want this as a gravy to be eaten with ghee rice, then you can just switch off the flame, cover and let it rest till it's time to serve. Else, if you want to have this with chapatis, chawal ki roti, तो you need to dry this up a little. तो अच्छे से dry करिए and keep roasting on high flame till all the water dries out. We are going to be having this yummy meat roast with chawal ki roti. So do try it out. See, I have not added any tomato or curd, but फिर भी इतना सारा मसाला बन गया. Just onions and frying it a little bit. तो ज़रूर try करिए and let me know in the comment section how it was. Do like, share and subscribe and encourage me to bring out more such videos. Thank you for watching.